what? What's up, guys? So you guys are requesting for the voice that I'm using. So this is the voice. This is the voice. Can you see it? Yeah. But now there are some settings that I've made so that you can hear the way it sounds. There's some settings that I have made. But initially, when I play it without the settings, this is how it sounds. Then when I add the settings, this is how it plays. Yeah. So what makes this difference? What makes this deep? What makes the voice to be more deeper? Now, well, let's come back to this point. Yeah, you see these two notes. You have A and B. Initially, ukisikia venye ina sound sahihi, ina sound haiko deep. But now, if I want to make it more deep, unaona hii, the A one, leave alone the B. We're dealing with the A, then you twist it on your left side, at an angle of around 45 degrees. Or you can twist it to where you think it sounds better. For example, it is still not good. You can twist it again. Yeah, I think that is the best. And then you play your music. Yeah, that is it. Nothing more. Then you can decide to make your okay. The main settings that the voices you can use any other voice, but actually there are some 3 voices that I like using. The first one is this. This is the first one. Then the second one is this nylon guitar. So nylon, if you also control this nylon guitar using this, you can also hear the way it sounds. Can decide to make it more deeper. Yeah, and there's also another voice. We also have another voice here. Well, we have this. You also have this voice. So if you also control this voice using, let me try again. Yeah, now you can feel. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, so these are the 3 main voices. The choir EP1. You also have this one here. 60S E1P, and the last one is nylon guitar. So those are the 3 voices I like using. And then after you have selected those voices, then you can control them using these 2 knobs, A and B. You can control them using this. And that is it. Thank you, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Inbox for these beats. Yeah, I got some good beats also. So you can inbox for beats. Then we talk. Make sure subscribe. Make sure you comment. Make sure you like. Yeah. Thank you, guys.